Hey, how's it going? This is Badtuna Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and as always, I'm doing Bob things. If you're shopping around for a DJI Avata and want to know what's in the box first, well, I have one right here. So let's open her up and check what's inside the box. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. This is the DJI Avata Pro combo that I purchased. And I already took the plastic off, so I can just slide this thing off here. Put it off to the side. So the first thing we'll do is open the drone. See right there. Alright. Alright, so inside we have obviously the drones in plastic, so let's pull that out. And there you go. Alright, here's the drone. Okay, what else do we have in this box? Inside we have the adapter, single charger adapter. That's what we got there. And then let's see, and then we have, I'm not going to open this thing because it's just extra propellers. And cables, okay. Alright, so that's all that's in this box for the drone. Just put that in there. And the other box is the goggles and the motion controller. So take it out of this plastic here. Alright, just take that out. There's the goggles. Guess the antennas just flip over up like that. And what I like about these goggles, the DJI goggles too, that it's already comes with a cover. Not like the DJI goggles V2, so it's well protected, so that's cool. So you got your goggles and some of the accessories for the goggles. Whoops, let's see what you got. Okay, this is the cable to the battery, to the goggles. Let's see, these are, I think there's frame lens. Yeah, frame lens if you have prescription, if you wear prescription glasses. So there, and this is the controller. Put that plastic there. And the controller should be the same as the FPV controller. So yeah, very good. So that's the controller there. And then this is the headband for the goggles. And again, as I said, this is for the battery. So now, where's the battery? Okay, here we go. And then there's the battery to power up the goggles, as you can see right there. Essentially the same battery of the DJI FPV drone, so nothing, to me, is nothing different. And then everything else here, you probably have your manuals and yeah, you just got your quick start guide, and that's it. Oh, let me see, what else is there? Oh yeah, and then we got this OTG cable to connect your goggles to your smartphone. As I said, I purchased the Filmora kit, and it should be coming in the mail soon. And that will have extra batteries and charging hub and so forth. So, all right. So just to summarize the whole package, obviously the drone, and then it has only one battery. I do only have one battery. I did buy the Filmora kit, and that's, again, as I said, that's coming. And that's 2 extra batteries and a charging hub. This is a single charger adapter for the battery, and there's the cable to power up the charger, and then this is connected to the adapter. Okay, and here is the battery for the goggles. As I see, I did already install a strap, and then here's the cable for the battery to connect the battery to the goggles. And then here is the motion controller. These are frame lens, and if you wear prescription glasses, you can prescribe, I guess, the lens, and then you install it on these 2 frames, and then you stick it into your goggles. So, and then you have your manuals. I think that's what we covered. So that's what's all inside the DJI combo. Now if you want to have more batteries, you need to order the Fly More kit. Okay, that's my unboxing review of the DJI Avata right there. In the next video, I'll do a test flight, my first test flight with this drone. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. What?